today we are celebrating 6th anniversary of Association of Professional Social Workers and Development Practitioners. And simultaneously, we have also organized our annual journal body meeting, followed by a governing body meeting. So we feel proud and we feel, very happy how we have, founded this organization all together, coming from various fields in 2014, and today we have completed 6 years. And before going too much in detail, so I would like to request you to engage in formal welcome, and then we will follow with the agenda which we have laid out.
Thank you very much, Vivek. In fact, it has been a wonderful journey. We all started in year 2014 under the leadership of our President, Mrs. Monica Munjal Singh. And over the 6 years, we have developed in a very great way, individually also as well as in terms of the organization. So I formally welcome all the founding members as well as the members who have joined our organization in the past 6 years, who are from various fields including social work, corporate sector, from public health, legal practitioners have also joined us. So formal welcome to all, and with this may I now request Vivek to take it over from.
Thank you, Hitesh. As far as the program background is concerned, we have to meet earlier, even in July and then on the 1st of December, but due to COVID-19 pandemic restrictions, we have postponed this meeting. And even today we are conducting this meeting, keeping in view the guidelines of COVID-19 issued by government. And many of our members have joined online through Zoom, and they are from various parts of the country, even abroad also. So welcome to all the participants who have joined from Zoom virtual meeting, and thank you for sparing your time. Deepika Gupta from Canada now, she is in Canada now. Dr. Kuldeep Negi from Shimla. Jeet Kumar Gupta sir, he is our emeritus member. Jitendra Kumar Moolraji, NM Vijay from Karnataka, and Rajiv Sharma, Ravi Solanki ji, Sharad Singh from Delhi, Arnelia Putri from Indonesia, and Ankush Rana, I have already shared, Balbir Singh, Dr. Devinder Kumar Yadav, he is Vice President now, and Mastan Singh. So welcome to all of you, and for sparing time on Saturday. Now may I request Dr. Monica Singh, President of our association, to release 2 reports on this occasion. Rajiv, are we ready? Yes.
Release.
And the second report prepared by Hitesh Kumar Kolati. It's in documentation form and 6 years accomplishment in this hard copy. So again.
Release.
So this report will be shared very soon and will be uploaded on the website. May I request now ma'am to say few words on this occasion.
A very good afternoon to all of you. It's a matter of great pride to be here on the completion of 6 years of the journey of APSWDP. And like you've seen the documentaries and the videos which have been shown to you, that how the journey has been. Again, I repeat that APSWDP has been really growing each day, and the evidence is there for all to see, because each day and each month we have been adding new members have been joining from all walks of life. So I feel an organization attracts people because it has something in it, and the work speaks for itself. So I feel the journey has been very good, and it's also been a learning experience for each one of us. In social work, we follow the integrated approach, and we have had people, students, we've had academicians, we've had people from the law side, we've had social doctors, and also emeritus professors who are all a part of this journey. And getting the UN special status was a matter of extreme pride for APSWDP. And also I feel that this year during the pandemic, APSWDP has really contributed in a big way, in a major way, and tried to help the vulnerable populations, try to reach out to each section of population in whichever and whatever way possible. And also, I feel the students who are a part of this journey have also contributed and have also learned from the various functions or the various work APSWDP has undertaken and joined in the journey together. So I feel that we'll be growing in times to come, and it's been really nice that I was chosen the president for 2 terms, and the journey has been really nice. And also the contribution, the teamwork is all for everybody to see. So I congratulate the organization, and I feel that we grow more and more. And all the best. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we have made a small presentation. Almost all the major points have been enlisted in this presentation. So this is our present governing body. It started on 2nd December 2017 till 12th December, that is today. So we have Dr. Monica Singh as president, and Dr. Jitendra Kumar Yadav as vice president, Ms. Rekha Trivedi as secretary general, and Dr. Sumit, that's me, as a treasurer. So the second, this is basically a second term, and we have almost accomplished it. Next. So this is a board of mentors that will start from today itself. We will be having Dr. Monica Singh and Dr. Jitendra Kumar Yadav as the chief patron of the board of mentors, and Mr. Vivek Trivedi as the principal advisor. And this board will be for next 3 years. The agenda items with us. So review of work under the present governing body, constitution of the third governing body, constitution of executive body, board of emeritus members, branding and fundraising tools, proposal for technical team, annual journal of APSWDP, which is long waited, amendments in bylaws, and we have our annexures with us. So these are the items that we are going to discuss today with all the members of APSWDP. Okay, so our first agenda is the review of work done under the present governing body. So MIS of all the members have been maintained, a mass mobilization for membership enrollment under different categories. Presently we have four categories with us. And we have emeritus category, we have life associate category, we have co-opted members category with us, and we have a student category as well with us. And the next is networking with Department of Social Work. Chaudhary Bansilal University, Bhiwani has been materialized successfully. And internship of social work students from Department of Social Work, CVLU Bhiwani, and law students from National Law University, Shimla respectively have been conducted through virtual mode. So that it was a big achievement because this was the first of its kind through virtual. And new emeritus members, they have joined the association. Launch of this COVID-19 Solidarity Response Relief Campaign, which Mr. Hitesh has also mentioned in the video. And it was a long journey of 87 days that we all have accomplished. And launch of the monthly newsletter, The Voyage. We have come up with a newsletter. I hope all of you can see it in front of you. We started this in the month of April, and now it has become a monthly task for all of us to come up with this monthly newsletter and try to report whatever we have done throughout the month. Donations under ATG have been made to the tune of almost 3.5 lakh since the inception. And launch of first ever global conversation, that is APSWDP's UN 75 virtual dialogue by the association. It was the 75th anniversary of the United Nations that we celebrated, and we had almost 8 virtual dialogues, and more than 800 people they have joined us nationally as well as internationally. So it's a big achievement for us. Then recognition received from Chandigarh administration on 15th of August. That was the state award. We could not go there physically, but the award came to us. So it is also a big achievement for us. So we have the second agenda with us. The constitution of third governing body.
So this time we want Dr. Sumit Arora to lead because he has worked 6 years behind the curtains, and he has worked tirelessly, and so we want so we want to take him on board as a vice president, and we wish you should explore corporate partnership. We wish you to explore some industrial connections in social domain. And Ms. Ekta Trivedi as secretary journal, and she has led one beautiful organization WCFI. I think Sumit ने वो अपने डेलीब्रेशन में देखा है. We have developed 8 organizations in the country. 8 organizations. And next is Karamveer Singh, the young man. So we also want him to come again in this period to deliver his services. And Sharad Kumar Singh. अगर शरद सिंह सुन रहे हैं तो we want him to come as a joint secretary. This is the new body for 3 years from 14 December 2020 onwards till 13th of December 2023. So congratulations to the new team. And as far as governing body is concerned, that is the body which actually is a legislative kind of nature. But we also need executive body simultaneously. So prior to this body, we had earlier a body, but which was very small in size and headed by Hitesh. So we have again planned and given a discrete structure to this executive body, because this has a role to play, and this is a role to perform and role to come up front. So Hitesh Kumar Gulati, we have taken his confidence to be Director General, and Dr. Anshu Kumar as Director International Relations and Diplomacy, because in the last 6 years we have expanded globally, and in a gradual way we have got good connections in many countries now. So we have taken confidence of Dr. Anshu Kumar ji to lead this, because he has a good and vast experience of more than 15 years in UN, UNDP, UNESCAP, UNEP, and many UN level agencies in senior technical advisor capacity. So he has agreed. Ms. Dia Andrea Verli, she is our member from Switzerland, and she has consented to be APSWP representative in Geneva, UN office, because she is a citizen of Switzerland, and it is not always possible for us to go to Switzerland and Geneva and attend meetings. So she has consented to be the representative to APSWP to UN Geneva office. And Dr. Deepika Gupta, she is very close to New York, and she has consented to be the representative in UN New York head office. And Dr. Priyanka Khanna, Director Policy and Programs. Mr. Ravi Solanki is online today, so Director MIS, keeping his expertise in the background. Mr. Rajiv Chaudhary, Director Capacity Building. The role was played earlier by Sumit Arora, and he has launched internship program. He has launched many capacity building programs. So now Dr. Sumit Arora role is being shifted to Rajiv. And Mr. Yogesh Sharma is given advocacy, network building, because he is good at meeting NGOs and organizations. He is on the way to Chandigarh. He's got struck somewhere in Sonipat today. And Dr. Jagmohan Singh with projects. Dr. Vishal Dhiman is sitting here. He was an alumni to School of Public Health PGI, now working with Ministry, Research and Innovation. Mr. Ankush Rana is online, sitting from Himachal Pradesh, working with Dabur. And he has given us confidence on CSR, corporate social responsibility. Even COVID-19 relief campaign was solely, not headed but supported by Ankush. So we have given this task to him. Mr. Gautam Bharadwaj is sitting here, Director Legal Affairs. And 4 of the members, Dr. Gaurav Negi. So we have decided to appoint coordinators. And we have divided all country in 4 zones like any other zones. So Dr. Negi for North, Dr. Priyadarshini for South chapter, Dr. Subhas Udara for East and Northeast, and Ms. Kiranji Sandhu for West chapter. So this is a new team, and we all want those who are present virtually or from here. So we want a commitment. Thank you very much. Many of the emeritus members have, sent their wishes and blessings to us in the form of videos, in the form of audio message and written message. So Dr. Rajan Velukar, Shri TPS Kulkar, NPS Randhawa ji, Dr. Dai Jeong, GOG from South Korea, Dr. Ms. Tatsaru Nakayama, Dr. Mustaq Ahmed, Dr. P.K. Kapoor, Dr. Amarjit Singh, Dr. Arun Agrawal, Dr. Antonia Kohli-Basnu, and Dr. Satinder Singh Dhaliwal and Satish Kumar Sahani. All these are legendaries in the field in the country, and they have given consent and also blessings for any kind of support in social welfare domain. So welcome to them and thanks to them also.
So the fifth agenda is branding and fundraising rules. So we have come up with some ideas of branding also. So we have caps, t-shirts, keychain, pen sets, label pin, logo badge, pocket diary, pad, greetings posters, file folders, water bottles, etc. And these articles are available online basically. So you need not to come to us. You can just log on to apswdp.org and you can go to the concerned link. You can pay online and you can get your souvenir at your doorstep. So our sixth agenda is proposal for the technical team. So we have planned to come up with a technical team comprising of chartered accountant, Ms. Amandeep Kamboj, MIS consultants. So we will have 2 consultants with us, Ms. Sunita Sharma and Ms. Poonam Rawal. Both are pioneer in MIS. We will have 2 web developers with us, Mr. Navneet Trivedi and Mr. Mahendra Chaudhary. So we'll have one accountant, Mr. Lakshman Yadav. Legal advisors, we will have Mr. Akash Yadav with us. Mr. Akash is here with us. And the program coordinator, Mr. Vinay Kumar. Yes. So this is the proposal for the technical team. So the seventh agenda is basically a very long-awaited agenda. We have planned this annual journal of EPSWDP almost 5 years back. We are trying our best to get it registered with an international number, but this is a long-awaited. So we'll try our best that this journal gets registered. So I think this is our last agenda, amendment in bylaws. Emeritus members, we have a total of 15 emeritus members with us and 55 life associates, 39 student members and 3 co-opted members. And till date we have donations of almost 3,46,818 rupees with us.
So can we have floor open for questions or sharing from our members from online?
About in my present obligations or responsibility provided to me, I would like to thank all of the team members and the governing body members.
Thank you, Vivek ji, and real great team of APSWDP. It was really nice to see a lot of things, but it is a continuous journey, I can say, and good things have happened in the last 5 years, and hopefully it will continue for unlimited years, as I messaged, and saw today's complete scenario, and hopefully will multiply not only 3-4 fold, but we'll try to make it more 100 times more work into the society, and it will go good. As of now, I can say no suggestions, but you have given me the good responsibility as well as having faith on me. Thanks a lot to the team. We'll try our best to do a lot of international activities within our team in the next 2021. and hope for continuous cooperation from all of you to take everything forward. Thanks a lot and all the best for the coming.
Thank you, sir.
मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जो हमारी मैंने की जो आज हमने आज कॉन्फ्रेंस में स्पीकिंग में जो जिम्मेदारी की जो समूह है निमित करता हूँ कि बहुत एक फैकल्टी में भी काम करेंगे जैसे काम करेंगे और हमारी एसोसिएशन को आगे बढ़ाएंगे.
Great to be part of this great organization which has grown multifold in both in numbers and in activities and in reputation and doing wonderful research work. I can only wish, that it goes forward and make a mark. It has already made a mark internationally and more contribute to the climate change and I would say the stopping the global warming, etc. I think the amount of work is huge and the kind of research you have done speaks of the volume, the work you are doing, the amount of work you have done in pandemics, helping out people. I could see, I will like to congratulate you for taking the lead and, bringing up this organization from a grassroots level to an international level. And I hope I can think, that this organization has one of the brightest future, considering the kind of people you have on the board and, to take it forward. And I can be sure, that tomorrow we can count on this organization as one of the leading organizations from India contributing to the Sustainable Development Goals, 17 goals.
I just congratulate the whole team for a marvelous 6 years journey and I feel proud that I'm part of this family.
कोविड में भी हमने बड़ा सारा काम किया है और आगे भी हम सोशल वर्ल्ड में अच्छा काम करेंगे.
We hope for better involvement in future. Yeah, so the commitments are there, the ministry as well, and so congratulations to the team.
With with the teamwork of all and the team that the board has decided will come up to the expectations of our president, Dr. Sumit Arora. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vivek ji and the jury for giving me this opportunity, and we will do definitely a great work in future coming period. Yeah, thank you. My best wishes for the future outcomings, and I'll try to give my 100%, and as usual, it will be quiet. And congratulations again.
Thank you so much, Dr. Monica Singh ma'am and Vivek Trivedi sir. Thank you to the whole team for all the support and best wishes to the organization.
Thank you very much for everyone. This is सुदीप अग्निहोत्री, आज ही ज्वाइन किया है और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Welcome.
Thank you. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. Feeling so enthusiastic to be part of this organization, and I hope I'll work my level's best. Let's see.
Yeah, thank you so much and congratulations. I will take some time.
Yeah.
6 years back, when I remember, I'm grateful to mentors Dr. Monica, Vivek sir, Sumit ji. These were the kind of cool days, and I was just following like a lamb, not understanding much as to what is going to happen. The impact, I started, belonging to this particular association when, a couple of things happened, and I remember Miss Anu, doing something great work with, Chandigarh administration and some, it was something to do with the mentally challenged people. And I suddenly started realizing that the impact, is like this, and the kind of energy that is synchronized and where they want to lead. I started understanding it gradually, and by and by, as one of the members already said that being dormant, still being dormant, but actively I was listening, and comrade, colleague, I would say Karamveer ji, the way he was into everything and the way things were being worked step by step, how those milestones are getting achieved.
And it's amazing to see that, suddenly I feel that, I belong to an organization which has got a international platform, platform like UN, which is, I think, tremendous. And many of the members, from online, and everybody has been speaking, and they said that, the fathom that have been achieved are something marvelous, which, mostly none of the organizations have achieved in such a short span. It is definitely the vision, wisdom, knowledge that, the members that we have here, the founder members, the lead members, and the other associates who are joining with us. I think this is achieved a very different portfolio now. It's a very strong portfolio now. And more and more I attend these sessions, and more I keep on listening to all the members. I feel that the commitment from my side, and I would like more of my associates and people from my fraternity to come over and contribute in these kind of associations. And I think we can make a mark. There will be some day that we will see a good prominent mark happening from representing India and doing something big. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Akash Yadav. First of all, I would like to congratulate every member of the APS WDP for completion of 6 years, and it is a privilege to be acquainted with such a marvelous leadership like Vivek ji, Sumit ji, and Hitesh ji. Like they are doing work for the betterment of society. So it is. I would again congratulate everyone and looking forward to work with this organization. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Beside being a founder member with the Association of Professors, Social Worker and Development Practitioner Association, I am firstly a student of Dr. Monica ma'am and Mr. Vivek Trivedi sir, because they guided me and inspired me, and it's like a hand-holding kind of thing. They took me along with them. Being a part of team, I am very privileged to be a part of this association, and from my behalf, I would like to welcome new members who are offline and online present here with us. Thank you very much and welcome to the association.
जब से ज्वाइन की है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तो सबसे पहले तो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है कि कोर कमेटी हमारी इतनी अच्छी है, विवेक सर, मोनिका मैम, सुमित सर, रेखा मैम।
एज अ प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर मैं कोशिश करूंगा जो मुझसे उम्मीदें की जा रही है उस पर 100% परफॉर्म करूँ। मैं ASWD पे भी काफ़ी फर्स्ट ईयर मैंने ज्वाइन किया, बट ज़्यादा एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व नहीं रहा, तो मैं फर्दर भी चयन करूँगा कि एक्टिविटी में 100% इस साल से नहीं करूँगा।
Good evening all. Congratulations APSWDP member. मैं तो ये कहना चाहूँगी कोविड-19 में जो भी काम APSWDP ने किया है उन सभी मेंबर्स को मैं सल्यूट करती हूँ। और आज मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि विवेक जो है रात दिन काम करते हैं। जब भी जैसे ऑफिस से आते हैं तो पूरी रात APSWDP के लिए काम करते हैं, और इसके साथ साथ 8 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो हमारी इंडिया में रजिस्टर हुए हैं उसके लिए भी विवेक ने रात दिन मेहनत की है। तो मैं ये चीज़ जब देखती हूँ तो मैं यही देखती हूँ कि जब हमारे साथ ऐसे मेंटर्स जुड़े हैं इतने, मैं तो इनको अपना टीचर भी मानती हूँ, और हस्बैंड तो मेरे हैं ही, तो मैं प्राउड फील करती हूँ अपने हस्बैंड पे और अपने गुरु पे कि मैं इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से जुड़ी हूँ और इतनी मतलब 8 स्टेट के अंदर भी मैं जुड़ी। थैंक यू।
First of all, thank you for trusting me. You've given me a big responsibility of acting as a president for this esteemed organization. If I recall the journey of past 6 years, initially we started this through an IGNOU conference. There was a small conference at IGNOU Regional Center in Panchkula, where we all met, and there itself the base structure of this organization was discussed, and how we are going to plan this organization and how we are going to run. So fortunately we registered, and it was a very difficult task. I have seen Mr. Vivek and Mr. Karamveer running throughout to get this organization registered. We all know that getting an organization registered is not an easy task. It's challenging, There are a lot of hurdles, a lot of challenges to get an organization registered. But with the hard work of Mr. Vivek and Mr. Karamveer, fortunately we got registered. And there itself the journey began. We had a lot of programs in this very hall that we are sitting in. And a lot of youth programs were organized, a lot of stakeholders were invited here in this prestigious institution. And gradually we evolved, we tried to explore the international channels. We attended a lot of international trainings. We were guided by Mr. Vivek, and today we are here, it is all because of his efforts, and rightly pointed out by Mrs. Rekha also, that he's been working days and nights, and sometimes without sleeping. 2 days I have seen him without sleeping. He's been working on, making this organization a great success. 2 consultative status of the United Nations is not a small deal. If you check the organizations, they are very old organizations who have attained this much height of getting the consultative status of United Nations. And being just 6-year-old, we have attained 2 consultative status. That's a big achievement for us. And it's all because of the hard work of all the members. And the second thing is that I've been given this charge of being the president of this esteemed organization. We have learned a lot. Dr. Monica and Mr. Vivek, they've been the lighthouse to this organization. We have learned a lot from both of them. Dr. Joginder Kumar Yadav, he has been working very hard for the upliftment of this organization. और मुझे ये लगता है कि as a president मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं इस organization को उस स्तर पर लेके आऊँ आगे. और no doubt डॉक्टर मोनिका, मिस्टर विवेक, मिस्टर हितेश, इन लोगों की गाइडेंस जो है हमारे साथ जरूर रहेगी, मेरे साथ रहेगी. और जितने भी मेंबर्स हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं और आने वाले समय में जुड़ेंगे, उनको हम साथ लेकर आगे चलेंगे. और 1-2 चीज़ें जो है जो मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि अगर हमें आगे बढ़ना है तो हमारी कुछ कमिटमेंट्स जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं. और अमूमन हम लोग सभी कमिटमेंट करते हैं, जब हम कहीं बैठते हैं, हमसे सवाल पूछा जाता है तो हम जवाब दे देते हैं. लेकिन ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, ये ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर जो भी कमिटमेंट हमने करी है, हमने उसको अकम्प्लिश किया. Mr. Vivek, he maintains a diary. He writes, on the diary what he wants to accomplish. And I've seen almost all the written part, it's strike off, that goal accomplished. Running an organization is not a small deal. I mean, Mr. Yogesh is here. He is also involved as a program officer, and he's been handling a lot of organizations. Trust me, if you talk to him, he will say none of the organization he has found of such standard. So, I mean, मेरी पूरी कोशिश रहेगी कि एक तो जो हमारे एक्सपेंशन है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की, एसोसिएशन ऑफ प्रोफेशनल सोशल वर्कर्स और डेवलपमेंट प्रैक्टिशनर्स की, वो जैसा कि हमने डिस्कस किया, हम लोग 4 चैप्टर्स में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को एक्सपैंड करेंगे. तो ये अपने आप में बहुत ज़्यादा हमारे लिए चैलेंज भी रहेगा. लेकिन चैलेंजेस जो हैं वो एक्सेप्ट करना जो है वो हम 6 साल से करते आ रहे हैं और आने वाले समय में भी करेंगे. और हमारी जो आउटरीच है, हमने वैसे तो काफ़ी एक्सपैंड करी है पहले भी, और आने वाले समय में हम पूरा प्रयास करेंगे कि हमारी जो एक्सपेंशन है, नेटवर्किंग है, वो ज़्यादा बढ़े. Because we want our members to represent at different platforms. It is not only me or Mr. Vivek or Dr. Monica or Mrs. Anu or Mr. Hitesh. It is all other members of the organizations who have to, represent at different levels. Be it a national or an international event, we all have to, continuously try our best to, represent this association at international or national levels. As I told you, in year 2018, I represented at UNITAR Civil Jeju in South Korea. In 2019, we were honored to be part of the United Nations 6 days climate conference, and that was the best exposure that I had. So we want that all of our members, they should try to break the barriers and move at different platforms to represent association. Of course, registering a journal, coming up with this idea of having a journal of this association has been a long waited. So we'll try our best कि आने वाले इस साल में हम इस जर्नल को रजिस्टर करें, जिसमें हमें डॉक्टर मोनिका, मिस्टर विवेक और हमारे जो टीम मेंबर्स हैं उन सबकी ज़रूरत होगी, उनके आइडियाज़ की ज़रूरत होगी, उनकी गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत होगी, उनकी सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत होगी। बिकॉज ये जर्नल जो है, ये जर्नल सिर्फ रजिस्टर करने से नहीं चलेगा, इसमें बहुत सारा काम जो है हम सबको मिलकर करना होगा। और जैसे कि रेखा जी ने भी बात करी है कि हम लोग व्हील चेयर के ऊपर काम करते हैं, जो लोग व्हील चेयर के ऊपर हैं और हमें उनको देखकर ये लगता है, आभास होता है कि ये लोग कुछ नहीं कर पाते हैं। तो ये इनका एक ब्रेन चाइल्ड है कि हमने इनके लिए एक इवेंट जो है, एक स्पोर्ट इवेंट जो है वो क्रिएट किया और हमने 8 चैप्टर्स जो है अभी तक पूरी कंट्री में रजिस्टर करवा लिए हैं और जिसमें 2 चैप्टर्स जो हैं हमारे एक तेलंगाना में और एक मणिपुर में, वो आने वाले समय में रजिस्टर हो जाएंगे। सो ये एक बहुत बड़ा नेटवर्क है जो हमें रेखा जी के द्वारा मिला है और मैं इनको बधाई भी देना चाहूँगा और शुक्रिया भी करना चाहूँगा। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है अपने आप में।
Thank you so much, Vivek ji, Rekha ji, Dr. Monica and Dr. Sumit. Again, with a very heavy responsibility of what Vivek ji has given right now. मैं कुछ 2-3 चीज़ें स्टार्ट करूँगा। पहली लाइन जैसे कि सुमित जी ने कहा था, knowing is nothing, but doing is everything. खाली नॉलेज होने से कुछ नहीं है, आउटकम ऑफ नॉलेज वो बहुत मैटर करती है। और मेरे को लगता है कि ओवर द इयर्स हमने अपने आप को इम्प्रूव किया है। और जैसे कि मैंने वीडियो में बोला था, एक चाइनीज बैम्बू प्लांट होता है मोजो, जो पहले 5 साल हॉरिजॉन्टल ग्रोथ करता है, जिसमें अपनी नींव काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है और 6ठे साल में अचानक वर्टिकल ग्रोथ देता है और काफ़ी अच्छी उसमें शूट करता है हाइट पे। तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि पिछले 1-1.5 साल से हमारी वर्टिकल ग्रोथ एसोसिएशन की शुरू हो चुकी है और जब शुरू होती है तो उस चीज़ को सस्टेन करना सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल काम होता है। बट हाँ, उम्मीद है कि आगे सबके सपोर्ट के साथ उस चीज़ को हम पूरा मेंटेन रखेंगे। और मैं शॉर्ट में बता देता हूँ कि जो पिछले 6 साल में हमारे जो प्रोग्राम्स हुए हैं, हमने स्पेशली SDGs सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स से अलाइन किए हैं। तो शॉर्ट में बताता हूँ, हमने 10 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स से अलाइन प्रोग्राम्स किए हैं। तो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल 3 से रिलेटेड हमने 2 प्रोग्राम किए एंड SDG 3 इज गुड हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग। देन अंडर SDG 5 which is gender equality, we have done 4 programs. Under SDG 4, which is quality education, we have done 6 programs. Then under SDG 6, which is clean water and sanitation, we have done 1 program. Then under SDG 9, which is industry, innovation and infrastructure, we did 1 program. Then under SDG 10, which is reduced inequalities, we have completed 9 programs. Under SDG 11, which is sustainable cities and communities, 6 programs were organized. Under SDG 13, which is climate action, we have done maximum number of programs, that is 27. Under SDG 16, which is peace, justice and strong institutions, we have done 5 programs. And under SDG 17, which is partnerships for the goals, we have done 11 programs. So in all, in last 6 years, we have done 72 programs. Thank you so much, and over to Vivek.
For members who have given day and night and contribution in every possible manner and lead the organization in front, at back end, behind the curtains. So may I request first Dr. Monica Singh. बाकी के सर्टिफिकेट्स हम ईमेल से भेजेंगे या बाय पोस्ट भेजेंगे। सो एट द एंड मैं बस यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जर्नी बहुत अच्छी थी, चैलेंजिंग रही, और मेरे साथ ही बैठे हुए हमारे स्टूडेंट भी रहे हैं। और मुझे याद है 2014-12-13 में एज ए स्टूडेंट आए थे मेरे पास में, तो इन्होंने फील्ड वर्क बोला था कि मुझे क्या करना है। देन आई सजेस्टेड हिम टू नॉट टू गो फॉर सम contemporary or routine type of field work. I said if you are ready to take challenge, then let us develop a organization and it will be your project. तो 2 साल का प्रोजेक्ट 1 साल में एक बार होता है, दूसरे साल में दूसरी बार होता है। तो इन्होंने 2 साल तो ठीक किया, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलप हुआ, और जितनी लीगल इंस्ट्रूमेंट होते हैं किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को चलाने में, चाहे इनकम टैक्स एक्ट 1961 के अंदर आते हैं और सोसाइटी रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्ट, जितनी भी लीगल इंस्ट्रूमेंट की जरूरत होती है किसी को एग्जिस्टेंस में करने की, वो सारा मैंने इसको गाइड किया और इसने पूरा किया। इवन रिप्रेजेंटिंग मी on my behalf, he has met income tax commissioner exemption, and he was astonished at how this organization is running, and he was saying कि कितने turnover के organizations हमारे पास आते हैं टीम के, और मैंने refuse किया। Then he wishes to be a member of our organization. कहते retirement के बाद I want to join your organization, and this is him that he carried and represented me at many places, and with confidence and with faith and with truthfulness. And this is how the foundation got laid, and Dr. Sumit, Dr. Monica, Rekha, Amitosh Dogra, even Sharad said कि I didn't contribute. Amitosh sometimes say I don't find time to contribute, but I still remember a small contribution. He has managed many times free of cost this auditing with chartered accountant. He has offered many times his place for meetings. This is also contribution, big contribution. Sharad said कि I don't have time. Even having time is and giving time is not important. Important is like giving shoulders, and shoulders is not physically. If you pat someone, then confidence is already high. So many who have not given physical touch, physical contribution, or contribution in terms of money, that hardly matters. Matters is your faith, your shoulder to shoulder touch and courage and motivation, and what shall I say? Support. And like 23 persons have joined online. This is a big support, because being online, being in other countries, being at different locations, even if Saturday is for leisure time, but they have time to share, they have time to listen. That's much important for anything, or any organization or any institutions to grow. So thank you very much, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। एंड मेरा भी कोशिश यही होता है कि डिसेंट्रलाइज डिसीजन मेकिंग हो, क्योंकि ये मैंने सारा कुछ पढ़ा हुआ है बहुत अच्छे अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूशंस में। डिसीजन मेकिंग डिसेंट्रलाइज हो, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन प्लान में भले ही फेल हो, लेकिन रिस्क लेना चाहिए, करना चाहिए, और हर चीज़ एक पर्सन के अराउंड नहीं घूमनी चाहिए। बट क्या विजनरी को है, विजन टेढ़ा नहीं होना चाहिए, विजन कहीं डेविएट नहीं होना चाहिए, बट क्या है इंपॉर्टेंस और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज देनी चाहिए, और उसको मॉनिटर करना चाहिए जहाँ पे हो, उसमें बुरा भी नहीं मानना चाहिए। लाइक आई एम अ लिटिल, not little but very hard taskmaster in my work arena. I think many of you know well. Because during work, you should not, make, deviations or easiness or say, reluctancy. That makes, sometimes your achievements not possible. So every time be vigilant, be focused to your objective, aimed, and ultimately the vision, which is very, very vast. And so let us work for vision. And आने वाले टाइम में हम और लोग जुड़ेंगे, बहुत लोग जुड़े हैं और हमारी कोशिश भी रहेगी global presence. And why global presence? Because I have been given responsibility by esteemed members, those who have seen Dr. Rajan Vidukar, Jit Kumar Gupta sir, Dr. Yadav. They are dignitaries, they are legendaries, and they have given us a vision. और उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं किया कि कुछ लाके दे दिया, उन्होंने words दिए हुए हैं, and words को visualize करना और उसको achieve करना एक बहुत बड़ा अगला aim बन जाता है, dream बन जाता है. तो हमारी भी कोशिश यही रही. हमें भी काफी लोगों ने बोला कि कुछ चीजें जो तुम्हें मिलती हैं, don't share. I said, why shall not I share? क्योंकि मुझे भी किसी ने शेयर किया होगा. तो जैसे करम भी रहे थे मेरे साथ, उनके छोटे भाई भी थे, तो 2-3 लोग कहते थे कि ये बहुत जल्दी शेयर नहीं किया करो, बहुत छोटे हैं, इमेच्योर हैं. तो I said कि why not? मैं भी इमेच्योर था, मुझे भी किसी ने शेयर किया, then I become mature. So ऐसा नहीं है, एजुकेशन कभी भी खत्म नहीं होती. You have to contribute, आपको उसको बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा. You cannot keep in lockers, है ना? ये पैसा नहीं लॉकर में रख दिया जाएगा. जितना बांटेंगे उतना बढ़ेगा. And this is the principle which I learned from my mentors. And यही हम काम कर रहे हैं, तभी शायद हम ग्रो कर रहे हैं. Otherwise, Dr. Sumit and me are member in many organizations which are of international nature, but वो grow नहीं कर पा रहे. They have kept all those things in secrets. And आगे share नहीं करते, meetings नहीं होती, minutes नहीं बनते, group नहीं बनाए हुए हैं, WhatsApp पे नहीं है, email नहीं है, invitations नहीं है. So this is how we grew, sharing and having confidence. And गलत चीजें तो होती रहेंगी, लाइफ है, you have to be ready for risk and नुकसान को भी उठाना पड़ेगा. But you cannot keep and sit idle. If you have made a ship, then it is not meant destined to be in the dockyard. You have to make it sail in the ocean. Okay? So thank you very much. And
Very nice evening and afternoon. So thank you so much. Now I would like to formally hand over the President's chair to Dr. Sumit Arora.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Happy day.